Welcome to Userlytics. In this video, we'll walk you through how to start mobile user testing, from receiving your initial link to installing the Userlytics app, and finally, to sharing your valuable feedback. Let's jump right in. Before you start, make sure you have a mobile device with a working camera and microphone, and a stable internet connection. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can think aloud without interruptions. Close any unnecessary apps. Click the link provided to start the test. You might be asked to answer a couple of short screener questions to confirm your eligibility. If not, you'll go directly to the main instructions. If you qualify, or if no screener is needed, you'll receive a unique code. Be sure to keep it handy, as you'll need it to join your specific test. Follow the instructions on screen to download the Userlytics mobile app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once downloaded, open the Userlytics app. Tap I have a code and enter the code you received. This will grant you access to your test. Next, speak out loud to make sure your microphone is working properly. If you see the audio bar move when you talk, you're all set. If not, adjust your microphone settings and try again. As each task appears on screen, read it carefully. When you're done, collapse the task box by tapping the arrow icon so your screen stays visible during recording. If you need to revisit the task or move to the next one, tap the arrow icon to open the task box again. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers. You're here to share your thoughts and experiences as they happen. Your insights are invaluable in helping companies create better products. If you have any questions or need support, please reach out to your test organizer. Thank you for being an essential part of improving user experiences.
Analytics tells you what. Userlytics tells you why.